Today we put on new fixtures, baby, taking the old ones out. We're also installing new washers and dryers. Also installing new blinds. New door handles. We're doing it all today. We'll be installing new switches and new sockets. Here's our new ceiling fan. We'll be assembling it right now. Assemble. We got our old ceiling fan down. Time to put up the new one. Our wire assembled together. All right, let's put it back together. Okay, we got our new ceiling fan up. Let's see what happens. There you go. Okay, we got our new light up. Yes, sir, she comes on looking nice. New light up. Yes, sir, she comes on looking nice. We got our new handles on. Our new light switch. Sockets. Our new light. Got our blinds up. Yes, we're ready to go, baby. All new blinds looking good. Now we'll be putting up a new light fixture for the bathroom. Let's get it. Yes, sir, she's coming down very good, baby. Okay, bathroom light is unassembled. All right, let's install the new one. All right, our bathroom light is assembled. Let's see what she do. Very nice. We also will be installing a new shower head. A new shower head is installed. We also will be installing a new shower pole. The shower pole, tub, rack. Shower pole is properly assembled, looking nice. With our new shower head. Let's get it. All right, right now we'll be installing a 125 volt 20 amps. See that bad boy? We'll be installing a new one. All right, let's get it. Got it unassembled. Let's get it. Let's put the new one on. All right, we took the old one out. We have the new one assembled. Let's see does she work. She's on. The last thing we'll be installing today is a Google thermostat. Let's get it. Yes, sir. Let's set her up. All right, she's on. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.